this is it, Kids Kitchen Vlog. Today I will show you guys my roller skate tutorial. I'll show you guys 3 parts, 1 beginner, middle and pro. Let's get started. I'm going to tell you how I started with the roller skate. Okay, first I started making roller skate inside the house. But some parents will say you're not allowed to take the roller skate inside the house because it's damaging the wooden floor. And that's why I'm showing you guys outside. First, I will be starting to hold my mom if I start to go outside. And I fell down a lot. That's why my mom gave me a helmet and the protection for the legs and for the arm that I don't pay myself. I started driving a little bit. And then I fell down. I'm thinking I don't want to do it again because I don't want to fall down much. That's why I started to do it. I fell down, I stand up, I fell down and stand up more times. Everybody was saying, let's go, hop, hop, hop. After I was motivated, I'm starting to be driving like this. But stopping, I didn't know how that meant. If I was doing like this, whoop, whoop, help! I was doing it like this. And that's why I'm going to show you how to do it with the brake. Okay. You drive so fast you can. After this, on and drive fast. After I stop by the right leg, because if you do in the left leg, you just fall, whoa, and injure yourself. That's why I extra have learned that my brake is on the right side. Okay. Now you guys try to every time make it like this. Make a circle with your roller skate like this. One leg is every time it's soon in the same place, and your leg is just raising your legs up. Like this. And guys, if you guys just fall down, whoop, continue doing it. And if you guys can do that already, I would just say, congratulations, you can do already the beginner part. Thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos and press the bell that you guys will be notified if I post a new video. Bye guys!